Yes, you're really good at saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got everything, and I can't believe how I've been let down again and again and again. And I'm paranoid, it's under my skin, I got careless.
करो क्या बोला?
हो गया।
जब इसको आपने प्रैक्टिकल में कर लिया था तो कभी आप भूलने भी वाले हैं, ठीक है। ताकि हो सकता है कि आपने एक ही जो ज्यादा जो बनाए हैं, जैसे बायोस्फीयर ये बनाए हैं, इससे आपने ज्यादा बनाए हैं, तो हो सकता है कि कोई जरूरी नहीं कि आपके स्टैंडर्ड का नहीं, आप लो स्टैंडर्ड का भी बना सकते हैं। आप लो स्टैंडर्ड
नहीं कोशिश ये करिए कि आप एग्जीबिशन में तैयारी कर रहे हैं और कुछ हमें मेरे आपको भी रिक्वेस्ट है कि जैसा आप देते हैं ना, तो उसमें देखिए कि बच्चा कोई नया टॉपिक लेके आ रहा है कि सेम टॉपिक है, बिकॉज दिस एग्जीबिशन नॉट फॉर दैट कि हाँ एक हमें करना है, वी हैव टू लर्न। आप जितने हैं अगर अलग अलग होंगे तो बच्चे नई नई चीजें सीखेंगे। तो आजकल बहुत सारे आपकी जो इनकी बुक्स हैं उसी में साइंस एक्टिविटीज बहुत सारी हैं, तो इट्स बेटर फॉर देम कि चूज द एक्टिविटी फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस आल्सो, क्योंकि जो एक्टिविटी उसमें है अगर आप वो करके देखोगे तो यू एंजॉय योर सब्जेक्ट। आपने कहा अच्छा हाँ यार कैथोड और एनोड लंग्स हमारे जब रेस्पिरेशन होता है तो ऐसे होता है, तो आप बहुत इंजॉय करोगे। तो अगर आउट ऑफ द लीग जाके भी आपको जैसा चंद्रयान है, अभी बुक्स में इसके बारे में इतना बताया कि हाँ, और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा बनाया, उसको रिप्रेजेंट करके यहीं पे लाके दिखा दिया आपको।
Myself Sandeep Bhaskar from class 7. Myself Suraj from class 7. Myself Sumit from class 7. Myself Shubham from class 7.
It teaches structure of the forest. Forests are made up of plants, soil and decomposers, and all are them of interconnected. Plants utilize carbon dioxide and release oxygen while it produces
सामने आओ, यहाँ आके बताओ, उधर देखो सर, और एक इसको देख के बताओ।
Myself Arvind from 6th class. Myself Umesh from 6th class. This is water cycle. The water we find everywhere around us. Maintain the well contact of water cycle. During the day, land and the water bodies become hot water evaporates from different water source of fire. It rises higher into the upper atmosphere in the form of vapor. This is evaporation.
Oh wow, very good. This is a rain, very good. Shabash, जोर से clap करो. Yes, well done, well done. बहुत अच्छा.
And I am Khushi from class 6. My name is Anu from 6th standard. Myself Ankita from 6th standard. Today we all are telling about biosphere. Biosphere means our earth. Biosphere has three main parts. Atmosphere means air, hydrosphere means water, and lithosphere means land. The lithosphere made of rocks and soil. The lithosphere where we and all animals live. Now my friend Khushi tell you about hydrosphere.
Hydrosphere means the water component which count water vapor, polar ice caps and all liquid water. Like we have only 3% fresh water, 2% fresh water is like polar ice caps and 1% is less for us. Now my best friend Ankita tell you about atmosphere.
Atmosphere, a thick envelope of air surrounds the earth, extending to over 6 kilometers above its surface. However, most of the gases in the atmosphere are concentrated in the lower 32 kilometers only. Hence, of the air is found coolest the Earth's surface.
Well.
Veena ma'am and principal sir. This is Divyanshi
And I am Shruti from 6th class.
Today we are going to tell about our project Biosphere.
Biosphere means the part of Earth where life can exist.
The biosphere has three parts: lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere.
The lithosphere means land
The hydrosphere means the water.
and the atmosphere means air. The lithosphere is land where the humans, plants, animals and non-living things can exist.
The lithosphere is the solid part of the earth.
In 71% of total water on the earth and 97% of water on the oceans and seas. It is very harmful for human consumption. Due to the high amount of salts it present, it only for 3% of water is frozen in polar sheets and 1% is available for the consumption.
Next part of our environment is atmosphere. Atmosphere is present around us. Our earth is surrounded by atmosphere above 1600 km from the surface of the earth. These are the parts of the earth.
Thank you.
Very good.
The biosphere refers to living beings and non-living beings, land, air and water. The biosphere makes the earth.
There are three parts of biosphere: lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere.
The lithosphere is the land component, the hydrosphere is the water component, the atmosphere is the air component. Biosphere is the mixture of these components. I will tell about the lithosphere. The land on which most people and animals life exists is the lithosphere, which consists of rocks and thin layer of soil nutrients which sustain organisms. The Earth has two main divisions. The large landmass are called continents. The 7 continents in the world: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. The lithosphere is the uppermost part of the Earth. Thank you.
Good, very good.
Water component present on the earth, from ice, liquid, water and water vapor. Oceans, seas, rivers and lakes contains in liquid water. Frozen ice is continents in glaciers, mountain tops and polar ice. While water vapor exists in the atmosphere, almost 97% of the total water on the earth.
Very good.
Thank you.
Shabash.
Surrounds them, Earth, extending to over 1,600 kilometers above its surface. 1,600 kilometers high from the Earth's surface based on its composition, temperature, etc. The atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. These are troposphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोला. चलिए
Project on solar and lunar eclipse. Sometimes when the moon orbits around the earth, the moon moves between the sun and the earth. When this happens, the moon blocks the light from the sun from reaching earth. This is an eclipse of sun or a solar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. When the moon orbits around the earth at the same time, the earth orbits around the sun. Sometimes the earth moves between the moon and the sun. When this happens, the earth blocks the light from reaching to the moon. When this happens, this is an eclipse of moon or a lunar eclipse.
Yes, very good. Are you able to see this? This is the sun, this is the earth, and this is the moon. And all of know us that the moon just rotate about the, take a revolution around the, बोलिए किसका revolution है वो? अर्थ का, ठीक है ना?
Our project is double circulation system. A circulation system where blood passes through the heart twice and has two separate, one for oxygenated blood and one for deoxygenated blood. A mechanism pass through blood.
बताइए, हाँ, करो.
A mechanism pass through
ये
the
कोई बात नहीं, तो होता होगा. धीरे प्रेस करो बेटा. हाँ, बहुत धीरे. हाँ, धीरे. देखिए किस तरह से ऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड जो है ना, वो क्या हो रहा है, वो फ्लो कर रहा है, लंग्स में जा रहा है. कहाँ जा रहा है? और वहां जाके डीऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड लंग्स में जाके क्लीन होता है, फिर हमारे पास हार्ट में आता है, और हार्ट में आने के बाद वो पूरी बॉडी में. दैट्स वाई द हार्ट इज नोन एज अ पंप ऑफ अवर बॉडी. अगर हार्ट को कुछ भी हो जाता है तो पूरी बॉडी में ब्लड का सर्कुलेशन खत्म हो जाता है, और इसीलिए हार्ट को हेल्दी रहना बहुत जरूरी होता है. आपने कितने अच्छे से देखा ना कि इसके अंदर हमारे पास ऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड एंड ब्लू पार्ट इज डीऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड एंड रेड पार्ट इज अ ऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड. विक्रम लैंडिंग कर रहे हैं. Oh, so good. Harshit, कि they bring the Chandrayaan 3 in our school and Vikram also with a safe landing. So good. कि इस तरीके से चंद्रयान जो बनाया गया है और उसको उड़ाया गया था, क्योंकि ये कुछ सेकंड्स का ही खेल होता है बेटा, है ना?
इधर देखो, फ्रंट में देखो।
This is our project on Chandrayaan 3.
Speak loud.
This is our project on Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is the third lunar exploration mission under the Chandrayaan program by the ISRO.
It was launched 14 July 2023 from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh at 2:35 p.m.
It took 40 days to reach on the south pole of the moon. Lander Vikram landed safely on the south pole of the moon at 23 August 2023 at 6:04 p.m. According to the ISRO, Chandrayaan 3 has cost 615 crores rupees. With the safe landing of Vikram, now India was the first country to reach on the south pole. And at fourth rank in space agency. We are proud to be an Indian and have a space agency like ISRO. Thank you.
Stop, हाँ.
Our project name is Biosphere. The biosphere is made of three things: lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere.
A living organism exists land or water or in air. The narrow belt contact between the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere.
Please explain what is the lithosphere. Come forward.
Lithosphere. This is the lithosphere. Lithosphere is the land on which most of the people, animal, and plant life exist. Is called lithosphere.
And what is the hydrosphere?
Hydrosphere is the water component.
Is a water component. ठीक है ना? जहाँ पे हमारा पानी रहता है, समुद्र, नदियाँ, these are all called the water component. Yes, clap for them. Very good. Water cycle, very good.
Almost 97% of the total water on the earth is found in oceans and seas, which is the unfit for human consumption due to the high concentration of salt present in it. High remaining 3% water, 2% is frozen in polarized seas only to us as fresh water.
Very good.
However, the water cycle helps in maintaining
The fresh water.
Maintaining the fresh water on the earth is on the earth's surface is
Yes.
called water cycle.
Water cycle, yes. So the water goes to the atmosphere and come back in a form of a rain to the earth. Yes, well done, Shabbat.